Right now we are about ready to have a tractor race in these two cones. All the way down to that cone down there. I'm going to move to that cone there. Go down that stretch. That cone there. That cone. Around there. And that's finish line. For our first driver, Number one, I guess. Our second driver, Isaac Dykstra.
Yeah.
The loser.
You kidding me?
May I add. So, like I said, they're going to start here, go all the way around where I said, and then they're going to end. Now, we have Eli's Ford tractor and Isaac's John Deere.
Loser.
Okay, I'm going to give them the go. Gentlemen, start your engines! On your mark! Fourth gear, folks, fourth gear. On your mark! Get set! Eli trying to cut off Isaac, but Isaac taking that lead. Eli doing a straight cut, not a bad idea. He's gonna keep on moving and Isaac is done for. Eli's got to cut around this corner and then just come on in. Eli is almost done with this race, and Isaac, this is as far as I can zoom in, folks. Isaac is way back there. Here comes Eli in the final stretch, and Isaac's in the very long stretch. Eli's got first place, and Isaac's way back there. Eli in first place.
Up here.
And Isaac Dykstra, the loser, is complaining. And thank you, folks. I'm your host. We'll see you next time.